Are you someone who is drowning in tasks but you still feel stuck? Maybe you even wake up early, work very hard, but nothing really seems to be moving the needle of your life or business. Then maybe the problem is not in how much you do, it's in what you're doing. And who should be doing it? So let's talk. Are you someone who knows what to do to get results, but cannot make yourself do it? If you're tired of getting in your own way and want to stop doing that, then this might be the podcast that changes everything. Welcome to Rajesh Murthy's podcast. Some driven entrepreneurs ask me, Rajesh, should I just quit? Because I just can't seem to get everything done. I'm on a workaholic treadmill all the time. I stay up late, I get up early, but the things that I need to do, that seems to be getting longer every week. I've got projects, I've got extended deadlines, I've got meetings, unscheduled ones, and I've got appointments to be met. I've got unwanted visitors and unexpected visitors. And I'm a creator, so what I should be doing, I should be blogging, posting. I've got bots, funnels, Facebook, Insta, and it's just maddening. So what do? But here is the kicker. If you're an entrepreneur, and if you're not getting it all done by the end of the day or at least by the end of the week, and if you're not maximizing your productivity and not taking on more clients, or if you're not growing, that means you're not having much fun either, isn't it? So what do? You are doing more and so am I. But we need to ask this question to ourselves. Are the things that I'm doing the right things? Should I be doing all the things that I'm doing? So let's start with our business. If you're an entrepreneur, what you should do versus what somebody else can do. 3 questions. Number 1, this thing needs to be done, but it need not be done by me, so it frees you up. Number 2, this thing needs to be done, but I can automate it. I can put it on autopilot and never have to really bother about it again. Number 3, this thing doesn't need to be done at all, so what I can do, I can eliminate it. And if you can start there, categorize your tasks in a day. Who can do it? What can I automate? What can I delegate? That itself will relieve you of some big stress. The price of doing it all by yourself is always paid in time. And most people pay it, not realizing that time is the only currency they can never earn back. So what are you doing that you can eliminate? Or maybe you can assign to someone else. Or still better, you can automate it. Because if you cannot delegate, you stagnate. The question is, ask who, not how. Who is the best in the world at this? Who has mastered this craft in such a way that no one else has mastered? Who is so talented at this that they do a splendid job and it allows me to outsource it entirely with just the control remaining with me? And if you can surround with people, who play at what you have to really work hard at, the game changes. For you, the learning curve is very steep. For them, it's a child's play. And if you can surround yourself with people like that, you really have bought into some exponential leverage in life. So if you want to go fast, then what you and I need to do is we need to hire better players than us to help us. Buy higher grade programs, the best mentors in the world that you trust so that they can help you and me. But if it doesn't matter to you when you arrive or when you achieve the outcome you want, then maybe you can hire less able or cheaper people or employ no one. Do it yourself and see how that goes. And this is exactly the reason why most people, they stay stuck for years in life. I can do it myself. And they plan the forever road, not realizing that there is no rewind button on all those wasted years of their life. The fastest way to slow down is to keep saying yes to what no longer fits your calling. What served you a few years ago, or maybe a decade or half a decade ago, is no longer serving you. It's not your calling anymore. Somebody else can do it. I had not thought of this. I'm in the space for about 27 years now. I never thought of it because most of the things that I have done it myself in those years. But that took a lot of time, and it still takes a lot of time. And now, after having spent 5 decades on this planet, I don't have a lot of time. I've used up my time, years that I cannot get back, but not anymore because now I've woken up. I realize now that I can build and do stuff that I can be the best in the world at, like coaching, like mentoring, or all the high-level stuff that we do today. Maybe you have a similar story like mine. So what do? Hire people not to help us do more, but to help us become more. Ask who, not how, and the game changes. Talk soon. Thank you for listening. For more insights and deeper shifts, subscribe to this podcast or explore more at rajeshmurthy.com.